Here's how to make delicious protein pancakes in minutes
using the Bomb Protein Pancakes.
So with the vegan version, the first step is to mash a banana, then add in 1 1/3 cups of your choice of milk and 2 tablespoons of oil, then whisk it all in.
And now you're going to add the Bomb Protein Pancake mix into a bowl.
Then you're going to add the wet mix to the dry mix and whisk until combined.
It should look like this consistency.
Now with one of your smaller burners, you're going to set the heat to low and spray oil in a pan. Then add in 2 tablespoons of the protein pancake mix and spread it out evenly.
Now cook it slow on low heat for best results.
When bubbles start to form, it's time to flip. And you can get a stack of this amount from each packet.
And now it's time to add your toppings. I'm adding a spoonful of yogurt and some strawberries and raspberries and then a dash of maple. Now we haven't made our protein pancake mixes super sweet. That way you can adjust the sweetness to your taste with the maple syrup. This is the perfect stack to share. Enjoy!